So I'm running a gaming channel and I regularly send messages on this channel every day at 1 p.m. And everyone thinks how I am so consistent with it. They think that I am doing this manually, but this is wrong. I have created a Discord bot which sends automatic messages every day at this channel. I don't have to do anything. You know what I do? I just sit back and relax, and every day at 1 p.m. this Discord bot runs, generates the message and sends it on my gaming channel. And in this video exactly I'm going to show you how you can also create this Discord bot, and you can create this for free today. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of messages for free on your Discord channel, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And if you genuinely want to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code, which is also attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. This discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you genuinely want to use and purchase the subscription plan, then you can use this discount coupon code. It is just for you only. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as schedule by Pabbly. We are going to schedule this workflow. For the event, select schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run this workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day, so I'm going to select every day. If you want to run this workflow on particular days of the week, you can select the same goes for the dates of the month. I'm going to select it as every day. Now for the time, I'm going to select the time as 12 p.m. every day. And for the time, I've selected it as 12 p.m. in the noon because I want to send the messages till then only. You can customize this according to your own choice. You can change the time, also how often do you want to run this workflow, and then click on this save. Once you click on this save, it has been scheduled. Now let's move on further and generate the message using Gemini, and then further we're going to post that message on Discord. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we're going to search for Gemini and select the same. For the event, we have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. After you open your Google AI Studio, what you have to do is from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and then create API key. Name your key, select the project and click on this create key button, and your key will be created. Once the key is created, you just have to copy the key right from here and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save, and your Gemini is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the prompt over here. So let's enter the prompt. So I have already entered this prompt, so I'm just going to copy the same prompt and paste it. You have to enter the prompt according to your own choice. After entering this prompt, we're going to move on further. I'm just going to edit this prompt a bit, and then let's move on further. After moving on further, we have to select the model and the method and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see it is going to generate me the message automatically, and if you want this prompt, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Now we have received this message right over here. Now let's post it on our Discord. Discord. For that, you just have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select Discord. And now for the event, select it as send channel message. You can select HTML or Markdown according to your own choice. I'm going to select Markdown and click on this connect. It is asking for the webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, open your Discord, go on the server name, then you have to go towards the server settings. Once you come on the server settings, you have to go on the integrations from the left end of the site and then webhooks. Now click on this new webhook button. A webhook something named like this will open. You just have to rename your webhook, select the channel name, copy the webhook URL and click on this save changes button, and automatically the changes will be saved. Simply paste your webhook URL which you copied right over here in your workflow. For the message, enter the message with Gemini generated, but you don't have to enter this message manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do is put a slash and then open the response of Gemini and map the message with Gemini generated. Now it is asking me for the bot name and bot icon. So if you wish, you can definitely enter this. Same goes for the text to speech, and then click on the save and send test request. Now it is saying that it has successfully sent the message. So let's open our Discord. Let's go back and you're going to see this message is sent right over here. Not only now, but every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Automatically Google Gemini is going to generate the message and it will be sent on our Discord like this every day. This is going to increase the engagement on our channel, not only the engagement but also consistency. So go and try this amazing automation for yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.